I'm here to give you 4 reasons why you should use predictive maintenance in your operations. Also, in less than 4 minutes, I'm going to explain why you should hire TRACTIAN, the company that will take your maintenance team to the next level. Reason 1. TRACTIAN sensors are extremely simple to start using. The setup is non-invasive. The sensor's powerful magnetic base lets you just stick it on your machine. That easy. If you ever need to remove the sensor for any kind of asset maintenance, don't worry. With this screw-on base, you can put it back exactly in the same position it was before. It's very easy to set up, so you won't need to call your IT experts. The sensor's connection to the receiver is automatic. The data is collected and transmitted through 4G or LTE mobile networks, and you don't need to worry about this. It's also on us to provide the multi-carrier SIM card for you. The sensor has a battery life of 3 years, and since we can accompany its level, we can send you a replacement free of charge when we see it's running low. The sensor has a buffer of 2 days, so if for some reason it loses communication with our platform, the data will still be collected, and as soon as the connection is reestablished, the data is automatically sent to the platform. All data is collected remotely, so there's no need to leave your office to check on the machine's condition. We know how important that is, considering cell phones are sometimes prohibited in certain parts of the plant, or even in situations where access to the asset is complicated or even unsafe. Reason 2. We have an exceptional customer success team to assist you during pre- and post-sales. TRACTIAN speaks your language. We understand the struggles of maintenance professionals, and we're here to assist you every step of the way. You can count on technical support to help define the number of machines and points to be monitored. Even though the sensors are super easy to set up, you can also count on technical assistance to start the project. We will be in touch with your team during the deployment and training period to help you learn how to navigate the platform. Not to mention our 24/7 support in case you ever need it. Reason 3. Our IoT and AI technology. Our system is always learning from our artificial intelligence algorithms. And because of that, we're constantly evolving and improving to detect new types of failures. Another thing is the data storage. All the information collected is stored in the cloud, so it's safe and with unlimited storage. You'll always be able to access the platform on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. If there's any sign of failure, the maintenance team will be notified through all the channels. The platform was designed to meet the daily needs of maintenance. This means that everything's easy and intuitive. If that weren't enough, if you want, you can integrate the platform with your company's ERP. Reason 4. Transparency. Our platform can also be your complete maintenance management system. This means that besides all the benefits of condition monitoring, you can also take advantage of all the features of TrackOS, our maintenance management software. See how simple it is? With TRACTIAN solutions, maintenance teams are more efficient, save time and resources. Now you can see, right, how your company won't have to deal with unplanned downtime, high maintenance costs, lack of manpower, and you will even get more competitive with TRACTIAN on your side. If you still have any questions that I haven't answered in this video, please contact our experts to schedule a demo. Thanks for watching and see you soon.